Ever felt like a cloud of gloom envelops you, or your heart races for no apparent reason? These could be signs of depression and anxiety, two common yet often misunderstood mental health conditions. Depression is more than just feeling sad. It's a persistent low mood that interferes with your daily life, often accompanied by feelings of hopelessness, lack of energy, and changes in sleep or appetite. On the other hand, anxiety is characterized by excessive worry and fear that can lead to physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweating, and restlessness. Globally, millions of people grapple with these conditions. In fact, depression and anxiety often occur together, each intensifying the symptoms of the other. Remember, it's okay to admit you're struggling. Acceptance is the first step towards healing. We're all human after all, navigating through life's ups and downs. So, let's delve deeper into understanding these conditions and find ways to heal. Depression and anxiety aren't battles to face alone. Have you considered seeking professional help? It's a critical step towards healing and recovery. Therapists are trained professionals who can help you understand your feelings, identify your triggers, and guide you through your journey to mental well-being. They provide a safe and non-judgmental space where you can freely express your thoughts and emotions. Finding the right therapist might take a bit of time and effort, but remember, it's about finding the one who you feel comfortable with and who understands your needs. Medication, under the guidance of a psychiatrist, can also be a part of your treatment plan. They can assess your condition and prescribe suitable medication if needed. Approaching a psychiatrist may feel intimidating, but remember, they're there to help, not to judge. Taking the step to seek professional help can be daunting, but it's a crucial part of your recovery journey. Have you thought about the power of self-care in your fight against depression and anxiety? Often, we overlook the simple yet profound impact small acts of self-care can have on our mental health. Let's delve into some practical self-care strategies. First off, mindfulness and meditation. These practices train your brain to focus on the present moment, reducing the anxiety that comes from dwelling on past regrets or future uncertainties. Simple techniques like focusing on your breath or observing your thoughts without judgment can be a game changer. Next, let's talk about diet, exercise, and sleep. They're not just for physical health, but also crucial for mental well-being. Consuming a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and ensuring adequate sleep can significantly improve your mood and energy levels. Remember, these are not overnight solutions. They're small steps that can lead to big changes over time. So, don't be hard on yourself. Start small and gradually incorporate these strategies into your daily routine. Remember, every step you take towards self-care is a step towards healing. Ever felt like you're all alone in your struggle? You don't have to be. A strong support system is crucial in overcoming mental health challenges. This support system can include close friends, family, or even support groups. Open communication forms the bedrock of this system. It's important to share your experiences, your struggles, and your victories with those who care about you. Of course, it can be tough to start these conversations, but remember, it's okay to say, "I'm not okay." Now, how about support groups? These are spaces where people experiencing similar issues come together to share, learn, and heal. Online platforms have made it easier to find such groups, where you can interact with people from all over the world. Local community centers or mental health organizations may also provide resources. Remember, it's okay to lean on others. You're not alone in this journey. Ever feel trapped in a cycle of negative thoughts? It's time to break free. Cognitive restructuring is a powerful tool that helps us challenge and change our negative thoughts. For instance, if you often think, "I'm a failure," try reframing it to, "I'm learning and growing." Positive affirmations like, "I am strong," or "I can handle this," can also help reshape your thought patterns. Remember, changing your thought patterns can be challenging, but it's a critical part of overcoming depression and anxiety. Ever felt lost and aimless, like you're drifting through life? A routine can be your compass, providing structure and purpose. Start small, perhaps with a morning or bedtime routine, then gradually add more elements. Now, about setting goals, have you heard of SMART? It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals are clear, realistic, and can motivate you towards positive change. So why not set one today? Remember, progress can be slow, but every step forward counts. Do you sometimes feel like you're not making progress fast enough? It's a common thought, especially when dealing with depression and anxiety. But remember, healing isn't a race. It's about taking one small step at a time. Keep a journal. It's a powerful tool to track your progress and reflect on your journey. Above all, be kind to yourself. You're doing the best you can with what you have, and that's enough. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself. As we wrap up, remember this: you're stronger than you think. Seeking help, practicing self-care, building a support system, changing negative thought patterns, creating a routine, setting goals. These are all steps on the path to overcoming depression and anxiety. Remember, it's okay to take it one day at a time and to be patient with yourself. You're not alone in this journey, and there's hope for a brighter future. Stay strong, wonderful souls.